Alright guys, so what we have here is a Panasonic Night. In 52-inch antique brass, obviously. Came with a round fitter. I'm not sure if the glass was originally supposed to go to the fan, but I assume so because it's a round globe fitter. I got this from Habitat for $5. It was originally listed as $30, and back when it was listed as $30, it had things like its mounting and its other two blades intact. But when I got to it, two of the brackets were broken and the mounting was gone. So that's a good old time. Charged me $5 for a fan they were gonna throw away anyway. What a bunch of superstars around here. Here's the low. I am on the search for two more brackets, or at least identical ones, because I just don't like the way this looks. Sure, it makes it look more vintage, but this doesn't have that two-blade look. It's really wobbly because the blades are still off balance. Here's medium. Excuse the dog barking. I don't feel like retaking the video. Here's high. It's got a stack motor in it, so it does good for what it is. I never really knew of Panasonic making fans in the US until now. But it's moving good air if you can hear it. So alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned for what's to come next.